Hello everyone, we are from TrueMaths, and in this video we are going to discuss another kind of question that may be asked in your exams. And in this question of height and distance, it is given that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 100 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. You have to find the height of the poles. So in this kind of questions, two triangles will be formed, and those two triangles will be formed on two different buildings, or you can say on two different poles. Here it is given that two poles of equal height are standing on a road. These are the two poles of equal height which are standing on the opposite side of a road, and which is 100 meter wide. So the length of this road is 100 meter, and from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So on this line, or you can say on this road, from a point, if I see this star here, the angle of elevation is given to you as 60 degrees. Obviously this star will be forming 90 degree with the road, and from here only, if I see the top of this another pole, the angle of elevation here given to you as 30 degrees, and this pole must also form 90 degree with the road. And you have to find the height of the pole. So obviously the height of these two poles are same. If I consider this height as h meters, so this pole must also be equals to h meters. And in this triangle, this complete road is of 100 meters, and if I consider the length of this as x meters, so obviously the remaining length will be equals to 100 minus x meters, because this complete length is of 100 meters, out of which this is x meters, so the remaining will be 100 minus x meters. So these are the two triangles formed here on a different pole. Again, in both the triangles you have to apply the ratio of tan theta. Here if I name this is A, B, C and D and E. So in triangle ABC, I have to find the ratio for tan theta, that will be equals to perpendicular upon base. Here for this triangle, the theta is given to you as 60 degrees. So here I have to find the value of tan 60, that will be equals to perpendicular upon base. So here the perpendicular is given to you as h, which is the side opposite to this theta, and the base will be of this. So the perpendicular here as h and the base here is x meters. Now the value of tan theta is given to you as root 3. If I cross multiply this, so I can also write it as, here I have replaced these two values. So the value of x here will be equals to h by root 3. So this is our first equation. Similarly, in the next triangle, which is triangle DCE, again you have to find the ratio for tan theta, and the ratio for tan theta will be equals to perpendicular upon base. Here the value of tan theta is given to you, theta here is 30 degrees, so you have to find the value for tan 30, that will be equals to perpendicular upon base. For this theta, the side opposite to this will be the perpendicular, which is given to you as h, and here the base will be this much, which is actually 100 minus x. So this is 100 minus x. Now the value of tan theta will be equals to 1 upon root 3, that will be equals to h upon 100 minus x. If I cross multiply this, the value will be 100 minus x h root 3. Now if I shift this x to that side and this to this side, the value will be equals to x equals to 100 minus h root 3. So this is our second equation. where the value of x is equals to 100 minus h root 3. And in both the equations, if I compare the values, here the left hand sides are equal, so obviously the right hand side must also be equal. So if I compare this will be h upon root 3 will be equals to 100 minus h root 3. I have to solve for h, so I have to shift this value here. So this will be equals to h root 3 plus 3 root h root 3, this is h upon root 3, same value, and this negative value when shifted to this side will become positive. And if I take h as common, so this will become 1 upon root 3 plus root 3 is equals to 100. Now I have to take the LCM here. The LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3. Cross multiplying this, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, root 3 multiplied by 3 is 3, and this is equals to 100. This is 3 plus 1 is 4, and h will be equals to 4 upon h multiplied by 4 upon root 3 will be equals to 100. And if I have to find the value of h, I have to shift this constant to that side, and we know that whenever a fraction is shifted to other side of the equals to sign, it gets reciprocal, means denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. And if I cancel this, the value of h will be equals to 25 root 3. So here the value of h must be equals to 25 root 3, means the height of this pole must be equals to 25 root 3. So I hope you have understood how to solve this type of question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact to us. The phone number, the email address and the WhatsApp number is given below in the description. Thank you.